Stop saying few. This one word makes you sound 10x smarter. Sparse rhymes with cars pronounced as sparss. It means thinly dispersed or scattered, occurring in small numbers or at wide intervals, rather than being dense or abundant. After the long drought, the once lush field was reduced to sparse patches of dry grass that barely covered the dusty earth. Instead of saying thin, say sparse to sound more advanced. Now it is your turn. Use the word sparse in a sentence and drop it in the comments. Follow for a brand new powerful word every single day.